everyone? Today we are going to be going over Starknet today. As you can see, this thing had a terrible day, dropped 28%, actually got rejected all the way up here at the resistance, and it came all the way down. So we're going to talk about this today. And this was a request from one of the members of the channel. I usually only do 5 videos a day, but I'm going to do this video because it was a request of the channel members here. So guys, become a member of the channel. It's only $9.99 per month, and you get benefits like this. So go ahead and do that. And this is a critical video, so I'm going to try to get it out fast. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but look at this. We were rejected all the way up here at the top of this trend line here. We were going through what kind of seems to be a ascending channel, but there's a possibility that this could actually pass for a bearish expanding triangle. And this is a bearish expanding triangle. It's actually a bearish pattern, so there is a small possibility that this actually might be a bearish expanding triangle, but it does look like an ascending channel, doesn't it? I don't know, it's hard to tell right here. But yeah, look, we just got rejected up here at the top. I was hoping that it could break out to the upside and reach 33 cents. But nope, we just now broke this channel here. So there's a possibility that we could continue down a little bit more. I think there is going to be a short-term recovery actually. Just kind of like how I did here. As you can see, that short-term recovery, as you can see here, a short-term recovery kept coming in. So there's a possibility that it could recover from here. All right, I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying it's a possibility. So you're really rolling the dice with it. Like, you're rolling the dice with it. It could, but if it does, just know it's breaking out all the way up there and possibly getting higher to like 33 cents, possibly. Or if it even breaks out, it could get rejected here and continue down. Nobody really knows at this point, but that's a lot of selling pressure. Like that, it's a huge amount of selling pressure, which kind of makes me think that we need to start thinking about the pullback here. So right now, what I'm eyeing 15 cents, and we also have not 20, but we also have 13 cents here. So we have a 13 cent support here as well. So that's another level that we have to watch out for. A lot of good support areas there at 13 cents. So if we start to sell off, you watch out for 13 cents. That would be a good area for you to keep in your sights. And then if it breaks 13 cents, right back down to 9 cents, just like it was doing since April. So I wouldn't be surprised if Starknet dropped and it just started trading sideways. But remember, it's still part of the privacy coin narrative. And as long as people are still talking about Zcash, and as long as privacy coins are still the narrative, there's a possibility that it could continue to pump. But we'll have to see. But yeah, the markets, they're kind of itching to pump right now. Right here in Bitcoin, if this is not a descending channel, and if this just breaks out here, then we might have just created a local bottom here before the relief rally starts. So that's a possibility. It's a possibility. But yeah, like I said with Starknet, there is that possibility that this thing, like, it could do anything at this point, honestly. It could go up to the top of this, or it could go down to 9 cents. You don't have to predict what it does. All you just have to do is be ready. So if it goes down to 15 cents, then you know it's going to continue to come down to 13 and eventually 9. If it doesn't, if it goes up to 19 and up to 21, you know it's eventually going to come up to 25. Then you got to worry about whether or not it's going to get rejected here. So at this point now, you can't really tell, but all you can really tell is that we had previous recoveries here that looked exactly the same. The %R trend exhaustion stopped halfway. The on the long-term trend, it stopped halfway. And then on the short-term trend, came all the way down here and then recovered. So that's a possibility right there. So I think it might be possible that we actually see some type of recovery here. Definitely looks like it wants to recover on the MACD, completely oversold. And then you can see here on the %R trend exhaustion, definitely looks like it still wants to recover. So it's a possibility. Maybe we just had a double bottom right here, right? Maybe we just had a double bottom. We'll see if that is the truth. But yeah, a double bottom is definitely bullish. So if it did just now do that, then I would say it's bullish. So if you see it going up above 20 cents, we're back in bullish territory. If it goes up above 20 cents, we're back in bullish territory. But if we go down to 15 cents in below there, then we're in bearish territory. So this is all I got for you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Go ahead and become a member of the channel. It's only $9.99 per month, and I'll go over any crypto for you as long as this is not some type of low cap scam coin. And I usually only do 5 videos a day, but I'll make some exceptions for some of the members. So shout out to you guys. Hit the like button, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.